we'll guide you through how to add status in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To add a status feature in Notion, start by opening your browser so the search bar is ready for use. After the browser loads, go to the search bar and type the word Notion into it. Then press Enter to bring up the results. When the results appear, select the first website that shows up and wait for it to load. Once the site opens, log in or sign into your account so you can start working inside your workspace. After you're logged in, create a new Notion page, which will be the place where the status feature will be added. When the new page opens, add your title at the top to keep things neat and easy to follow. After adding the title, move to the main section of the page. Inside this main section, press the / key to open the menu that gives you different Notion commands. Type /database into the menu. Then select the database full page option so you can create a structured data layout. When the next screen appears, select the new empty data source to start with a blank database. After the empty database loads, look for the option to add a new property, because the status feature will be made through a property. Once you select the option to add a new property, choose Status as your new property type. After the status property is created, click on the status field to open the list of default status options. When the list appears, select Edit Property so you can add or change the options inside the status set. To add a new status, press the plus button on the right side of the menu. Keep pressing the plus button if you want to add more status types until the list fits your needs. After you finish adding the status names, go back to the database and select one of the status items by left-clicking it. When the small menu appears, you will see options that let you change the color of the status. Choose a color that matches how you plan to organize your page. Repeat the same steps for each status item if you want different colors for different labels. Once everything looks set, your Notion page now has a working status system that can help you stay organized.